In this video, we're taking a look at how to update design settings, specifically your colors and your fonts. So on the left-hand panel, you're going to click on design settings, and this will open up everything you need. And if you want to update the colors, it's really as simple as either copy and pasting a hex code here, or you can drag and drop. When you're making these changes, you're going to see them live, so you can see what you like before you hit save. So I'm going to copy and paste in some hex codes here, and you want to make sure that there isn't an extra space at the end or it won't work. So you've got to do that. So this is making it so the background is just a white, a warm white. So obviously I would want to then update the font color eventually, but this is just to show you some quick changes and how fast it really is. So let me put in another one here. And this is a nice neutral color palette that's going to totally change the feel. So even though this one is designed, oops, see that one didn't work because I didn't delete the extra space. So that's the only thing you want to make sure of. And you can change the color palette as little or as much as you want to make it feel the way you want it to, right? So I'm going to get the last couple of ones in here. And let's do this one. And this one, I'm gonna just drag and drop to add in. And then this, let's have it be black, right? And now you can see those words. So already that immediately changed the feel of this completely, simply changing the color palette. And so I'm going to then go in and I want to change the fonts. So I clicked on fonts here. And if you know that you want to upload fonts that you have purchased, you would upload them into here. It needs to be in this format and you would upload. This shows you all the fonts that are currently active in the template, and you can see them right here. So you have your title. Under type styles, it shows you what the title is. And you have the option to play around with this. So let's say you decided that you wanted to keep that font the same, but make it a little bit different. So what if you wanted it to be instead all uppercase? Then you can see what that looks like. If you want it to be bigger or smaller on mobile versus desktop, that's where you're going to adjust it right here, right? And these are left justified. You could change it to be centered, right. Typically, I lean towards left justified or centered. It's going to be the most natural to read. So let's say you want to change out, let's find a new font. And here you can click on the categories and you want a handwriting one. This is going to load all of the free Google fonts that come with your Showit subscription, and you could choose one. You can preview it here and see if you like it. And you can just go through and decide on what you want. Let's say you like that, then you're going to need to click Add Google Font, and you're going to hit Save. Okay, so then if you wanted to go in here and change something, let's say you wanted this to be that script, you're going to then go over here and on the right hand side, text style, and you can change it to that newly added one. And there you have it, right? Next up is going to be changing out your photos. We can do that in another video, but just by simply changing the color palette, you've already made this template feel like something completely different than it previously was.